Alright, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to multiply numbers that have decimals in them. So let's say I'm just going to make up two numbers, 6 and 3/10 times 3 and 7/10. So the way you want to look at these is look at them as they were whole numbers. Imagine we were doing 6 times 4, right? If I rounded this number right here, it's about 6. This number right here, it's closer to 4 than it is to 3. This is going to equal about 24. And I like that because if I make an error in my multiplication here, I should notice because I know that the answer should be around 24. So when you set this up, you're going to set it up just like you would if you were multiplying 63 times 37. And of course, now we have decimals. 3 times 7 is 21. We carry the 2 up there. 6 times 7 is 42. Add 2, it's 44. Since this number we're pretending that it's 37, it really represents 30. So I want to put a 0 here to show that I'm using 30, not 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And lastly, 3 times 6 is 18. So you can see I got an answer of 2,331. And that's why we did the estimation at the beginning. We know that that doesn't make sense because the answer needs to be near 24. And that helps me determine, okay, what's going to make this 24? Well, this is pretty darn close to 24 if I put the decimal right in between the two 3's here. And that decimal placement, in general, the rule is however many numbers you have to the right of the decimal in your two factors is how many times you move it over to the left-hand side. So I had one number to the right and another number to the right of the decimal, so I'd move it 2 times. And if you can't remember that, which I struggle to remember that personally, just go back to what your estimate was. Your estimate was 24, so the best place to put the decimal is between those two 3's.